Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of living out of a messy laundry pile? You've got to check out the Lifewit 100L laundry basket. It's a total game changer. With its sturdy build and easy setup, you'll be folding clothes in no time. The Lifewit 100L laundry basket is an essential organizer that lets you store dirty clothes, blankets, shoes, and more, and its lid design makes it a perfect fit for any room. This thing is huge. With a capacity of 100 liters, you can fit 2 to 2.5 loads of clothes in it, and the sturdy structure can bear a heavy load without collapsing. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's extremely well reviewed, which is no surprise given its quality. When you're assembling it, you'll love how easy it is to install and fold. Just insert the reinforced fiber rods into the corner double-stitch pole sleeves and you're good to go. The sound of the rods clicking into place is so satisfying, and the feel of the sturdy polyester is solid and reassuring. The handles are also super convenient. They provide a firm and steady grip when you need to move it from room to room, and the breathable material makes it light and easy to carry. You can use it in your bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, or even in a college dorm. Its neutral style matches any decor. What really sets the Lifewit 100L laundry basket apart is its extra storage and large capacity. It's perfect for big families or for those who like to do laundry in bulk. It's also great for keeping your room tidy and organized. No more messy piles of clothes on the floor. So if you're looking for a reliable and spacious laundry basket, look no further. The Lifewit 100L laundry basket is the way to go. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their laundry organized and make the chore of doing laundry. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.